Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience using the service. Today we're diving into Zirtual, found at https://www.zirtual.com, a company that provides dedicated virtual assistants. These aren't just your run-of-the-mill virtual assistants who handle basic tasks. Zirtual offers US-based, college-educated virtual assistants who can tackle more complex and demanding projects. Think of them as an extension of your team, capable of handling everything from scheduling and inbox management to research, project coordination, and even travel arrangements. Zirtual's approach emphasizes building a strong working relationship between you and your assigned VA. They prioritize consistent communication and understanding your specific needs, ensuring the assistant becomes seamlessly integrated into your workflow. This personalized approach helps you maximize efficiency and free up your time to focus on higher-level tasks. One of the key selling points of Zirtual is its commitment to providing highly skilled and vetted virtual assistants. They boast a rigorous selection process, ensuring their VAS possess strong communication skills, technical proficiency, and a proactive mindset. This focus on quality aims to provide clients with a reliable and capable support system that they can trust with important responsibilities. Pricing plans are tailored to different needs, offering varying levels of support and access to your dedicated VA. Whether you need a few hours of assistance per week or more comprehensive support, Zirtual likely has a plan that fits your budget and requirements. It's worth exploring their website to see the specifics of each plan and determine which best aligns with your needs. They also offer a trial period, allowing you to experience the service firsthand before committing to a long-term plan. This gives you a chance to assess the compatibility and effectiveness of working with a Zirtual VA. Ultimately, Zirtual presents a compelling solution for individuals and businesses seeking high-quality virtual assistants. Their focus on educated, US-based VAS, coupled with personalized service and flexible plans, sets them apart in the virtual assistant landscape. If you're feeling overwhelmed and need a reliable partner to handle essential tasks, Zirtual may be just the solution you're looking for. Check them out at https://www.zirtual.com.